Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a fun mini haul using some of my favorite Mehron makeup products. Well, I'll be showing you, not using them, and I'll be explaining how they work and how I love using them. We're going to start off with my favorite one in the shade Soft Beige, which is the Liquid Latex. I've been using this one for a very long time now. I first laid hands on this product about maybe 6, 7, 8 years ago when I first started getting into the whole special effects. This one is very easy to use. As you can see here, it is very light. I'm just dabbing it just to show you a quick little example on how it works. I will be making a tutorial for my next channel, so don't worry about seeing a lot of it. You will be seeing a lot of liquid latex on that video. I'm just showing you a little sample here. But this one it's very easy to use, and you can always combine it with cotton and tissues. Now this one, another top favorite, is the Stage Blood. Now with this one, the only thing I will say is that this one does not dry. This one gives you that wet look. So if you want something that looks a lot more gory and like nasty and creepy, this is it. Oh, look at me peeling that off. That's part of the liquid latex. Ooh. There you go. And it feels good. Anyway, so this one definitely looks like real blood. Let me show you the color of it. Now once you lay it on the skin, obviously it looks different. Same thing with the liquid latex, you guys. It does oxidize, and you'll see that on my next video on how the color does change quite a little bit. But yeah, still awesome. Alright, now for the next one is the blood splatter. So this one I recommend using about maybe 6 to 10 inches away from the area you're going to use it on, just to give you that splatter effect. You don't have to. Now the good thing about this one is that this one does dry off, unlike the Stage Blood. Alright, so these are my top 4 favorite colors and some of the colors that I've used quite throughout the years. They do have amazing coverage, which I'll show you in a second. They do have great flexibility in blending and mixing colors, and also they're good for great lighting conditions. So if you want to really lose shine, obviously this will definitely help, but you also have to set it with powder. So don't forget, due to these being that creamier finish, set it with powder so it doesn't smudge or smear off. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. And look how much it covers my tattoo. Super awesome. This is why I love these cream blending sticks. I use this for my brow coverage also. Now this is the white one, so you can see how it looks next to the beige that I used. Now this palette is definitely one of my top favorites. It is also water activated, so if you don't wet the product, it won't work. Sometimes I use a setting spray just to wet the paint and get that ready to create or paint over whatever I need to paint. And right here I'm going to show you next to the cream stick on how the pigmentation is, and they're literally quite the same, you guys, which is pretty awesome. The coverage is great. Now the good thing about this one is that obviously it's not cream, so it won't smear like the cream stick would. So this one you do not have to worry about setting. unlike the cream stick. And there you go, you can see both swatches next to each other. The paint looks just a tad bit darker when it comes to coverage, but they're quite up there when it comes to the pigmentation. Alright, and right here I'm just going to show you how blending these out is extremely easy. This is why I love these. They're not super harsh, they're not heavy, and they blend super easy. And right here I just got a little bored and I decided to tear the liquid latex a little bit before I spray it with the blood splatter, so you can see how that one looks. And don't worry, you will get to see some of the other one on my next video where I show you, well, where I create an entire cut on my arm using both products. But look how red that looks. That literally looks like blood, you guys. And there you go. Now the other one is a little bit darker. This I would put over the other blood after. So that's how that one dries off. Now right here I'm just showing you how easy it is to remove the liquid latex. You literally just peel it right off, you guys. Super easy. This is why I love this product. It doesn't take forever to remove, comes off easily. You can even use a little bit of soap and warm water if you don't want to peel it off, but that is how it comes off. Now I did already create the look I'm telling you guys about, and I thought I was recording the whole peel off and I didn't. You don't know how satisfying that was, and I got still mad when the camera wasn't on, you guys. Don't worry, I'll do more. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my mini Mehron makeup haul of some of my favorite special effects products. If you did like this video, or if it helped, give it a thumbs up, or just give it a thumbs up if you appreciate my videos. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and share with everyone else. Bye guys.